Hello, my friend, it's David from QLQ company. Today I want to introduce our polishing machine for zipper tick head for you. This machine is intelligent and it is with a compact design. As you can see, there are 10 wheels inside the machine. This wheel will polish the zipper tick head from different aspects. And finally, to make the zipper tick head more smooth and more shiny. Now let me show you how to start this machine. The zipper comes in from this direction and then into this machine. Its output is 600 to 800 yards per hour. This machine can polish the zipper head from all around, so the zipper head will be more smooth without any bump. This machine is very popular nowadays and it is very suitable for all kinds of factories. So if you are interested, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.